Please join me in welcoming the main highlight of this afternoon's affair. Please welcome our birthday celebrator, Luis Martinez. Happy, happy birthday, Luis! Isang malakas na para sa mga lugar. Kami kasama wow! It's your big day, Maki! And again, happy birthday from all of us. Why don't we start this celebration by greeting Maki a happy birthday? Pag sinabi ko po, when you hear the word happy, ano pong isasagot? Again, happy? Hindi po marinig ni Maki. Happy or Rania? Alright. So I think they're complete now. Just on the other side. Ayan. Oh, boys, dito kayo na. Okay.
Happy birthday, Maki. God bless you. Happy birthday, Maki. God bless you. Happy birthday, Maki. God bless you. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Wala ba ni si Tarman tayo sama?
Oh, di ba? Naging bird. Oh, ano mo? Oh, ayan o, magiging tatlong bird yan o. Tingnan mo ah. Oh, yun o.
This is the future. New era. This is the future.
Galing na. Galing.
This is the future. Human error.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. I'm very happy